Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are diving deep into the world of production planning and control to understand its importance, key components, and how it's being redefined by technology. We will discuss strategies to improve it, its role in supply chain management, the benefits of implementing systems, the challenges faced, and how to overcome them. We will also learn from a real-life case study and look at future trends of this crucial aspect of manufacturing industries. So let's get started.
1. Understanding the basics of production planning and control. Production planning and control, PPC in short, is a crucial component in every manufacturing industry. It involves planning the production in advance, setting the exact route of each item, fixing the starting and finishing dates for each item, and finally launching the manufacturing activity. It ensures efficiency and effectiveness by maintaining a smooth and continuous flow of materials. 2. The importance of production planning in manufacturing industries. PPC is like the nervous system in a body. It coordinates all activities and ensures smooth operations. It helps in effective use of resources, reduces idle time, improves productivity, and ensures timely delivery of products to customers. 3. Key components of effective production planning and control. In order to have an effective PPC, we need several key components like demand forecasting, capacity planning, scheduling, and inventory control. Each plays a unique role and contributes to the overall success of the production process. 4. How technology is redefining production planning and control. In the digital age, AI and machine learning are transforming PPC. Predictive analytics help in demand forecasting, while automation is improving efficiency and reducing errors. Blockchain is enhancing transparency in the supply chain, ensuring smoother operations. 5. Strategies for improved production planning and control. To improve your PPC, focus on accurate demand forecasting, efficient resource allocation, use of automation for repetitive tasks, and continuous review and improvement. Implementing a robust ERP system can be a game changer. 6. The role of production planning in supply chain management. PPC plays a pivotal role in SCM by ensuring the right amount of raw materials are ordered and delivered on time. It coordinates with various departments, ensuring a smooth flow of materials from the supplier to the customer. 7. Benefits of implementing production planning and control systems. Implementing a PPC system brings numerous benefits. It improves productivity, reduces costs, enhances customer satisfaction, and ensures strategic alignment of operations. It's like the pilot of a ship, guiding it to its destination in the most efficient way. 8. Challenges in production planning and control and how to overcome them. Like any other process, PPC also faces challenges like inaccurate demand forecasting, resource shortages, and technology integration issues. However, with proper strategies and tools, these can be effectively managed. 9. Future trends in production planning and control. As we move towards the future, PPC is expected to get more sophisticated with advancements in AI, machine learning, and blockchain. The focus will be on real-time data, predictive analytics, and complete automation of routine tasks. That's it for today, folks. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into the world of production planning and control. Remember, the key to effective PPC is continuous improvement and embracing technology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such insightful business content.